Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Welcome to the weekly Quickie, Modest Beauty, and get ready with me. And today, what I will be working with is the OFRA palette. So if you're interested in learning more, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. This week, what I will be doing is I will be using this OFRA palette, and I'll try to get a look for you using just this palette as far as for the eyes, of course, cheeks, and contouring. And so I think there is very definitely a array of colors here that I could really use and, get a complete look. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. But aside from that, I will be using for foundation, Pat McGrath's foundation. And this will be the first time I try this. I'm going to see because there's been really great, reviews on this. And I'm going to see if this does work for me. So, and because I'm looking for some sheer coverage. And this is a sheer to moderate is what it says, but we'll see. Okay, and then I've already prepped my eyebrows and my eyelids, and today I'm using the primer by Mario. Sorry about that, I'm running out of words today. It's just I'm trying to focus on this, and there's a kid jumping up and down on the floor upstairs, so sorry about that. And so what I did do is I did go ahead and use this lighter shade, and I did powder it, okay? And so that's that. And then, as usual, my eyebrows is Brow Wiz by Anastasia, and this is in the medium ash, okay? And so, without further ado, let's get started.
It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. emotions. Could I taste them for